Managing anxiety, children many a times feel strange, which is not a good feeling. I am feeling low. Dilly is walking to school and she's feeling very low. I don't enjoy going to school because school is so much of a stress. And Basil noticed Dilly is not her usual Dilly self. What happened? Why are you looking so worried and anxious? Well, Dilly said, you know, Basil, I don't like going to school. It gives me so much of worry and scare. And you know, Lily talks to her friend Basil about what's bothering her. When I'm sleeping at night, I only think about school because I don't want to go to school. And this gives me anxiety and I feel sad about it. And then the time for the school is there, and mummy and daddy push me. They force me to go to the bus and then go to school. I want to be safe. I don't like it. It makes me anxiety so much. What should I do, Basil? I don't really know. When teacher asks me to perform on stage, oh my god, it is not easy. It gives butterflies in my stomach. I feel anxiety again. How can I deal with it? I don't like to go to school. It worries me. I want to be safe. Can you suggest something? Well, you see, Delete is all about understanding your brain. It's a tricky piece of equipment. We all have this brain within us. Our brain gets information from the world we live in. So we have five sensory organs. Sometimes you look at a lion, the sight of the lion, that's your eyes. It's worrisome. Or sometimes you listen to sound. Ooh, ooh, you worry. Or sometimes you smell a fire and that gives you anxiety. Sometimes we taste something bad, dirty like a poison. Ooh, and sometimes we feel something crawling on our skin that touch. Oh my god, it is so much of worry. You know what? These are the ways the brain process the information and the information goes inside. So once you are strong and you understand that, your brain will react. Brain thinks worried thoughts, I'm not good enough, and then you suddenly feel lump in your throat, and then you feel your heart starts to race and your lungs breathe rapidly. You also feel butterflies in your tummies, legs get shaky. These are the responses to anxiety. Your heart beats fast to increase blood pressure. The glucose is sent to muscle to create lots of energy. And then you get a fight or a flight response to it. Either you run away from the scene or you want to fight it out. This is only a mental to last just long enough to get you out of the danger, because in our world we stress about lots of different things, just like you told me before. So what should we be doing it? How should we deal with it? When there is too much going on, it is difficult to calm our emotions. So when anxiety is there, you rate yourself from 1 to 10. Where do you rate? When you're calm, you are in 1 or 2. But when you are angry, it is above. So when you are with your family, you feel very safe. Every place where you feel safe, you feel more relaxed. Every time you're more relaxed, you're calm. The environment, when you see the good dreams, you feel so happy about life. But when you're anxious, then it goes from 4, 5, and it can go even higher. So, how can you help? Start doing breathing exercises. Breathe in, breathe out. And when you do the breathing, it calms you down. Not once, many times. Squishy. You have that squishy ball and squeeze it. And when you squeeze it, you feel good. We are in your heart. Love, mom and dad. When you receive such kind of good messages or you give these messages, you feel good about yourself. So, Dilly, don't worry. Use these kind of strategies to relax yourself. It is natural to get anxious, but that's not it. You need to be aware about it. You need to, once you know about it, then you use these strategies like breathing, like squishy ball, or even thinking positive, talking positive with our parents, and then we feel good about it. Okay? Don't worry about life, Dilly. Life is fun. That is how we deal with anxiety. Thank you.